Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme Narzo 80 Lite not receiving MMS messages. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and find messages app. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage option. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then again click on reset phone. Now click on reset network settings. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. It will reset your network settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.